How to convert WhatsApp to WhatsApp Business. So it's very easy. If you're already using your WhatsApp, all you need to do is download the application WhatsApp Business. You can get that on your App Store. So after downloading the WhatsApp Business, all you need to do is open the application. And after doing that, here, tap on Agree and Continue. Then after doing that, here, you'll get the option of use your current phone number or use a different phone number. So if you want to convert your already existing WhatsApp account to your WhatsApp Business, tap on Use Your Existing Number. Or if you want to create a separate account for a separate number, then tap on Use a Different Number. So since we are converting right now, tap on the current number. So after doing that, here you can get the option of Start Transfer. So after doing that, here you can get the option of Start Transfer. Tap on it. And then here you can see the transfer has successfully been completed. Here, tap on Next. And then in here, you'll have to create your business profile. So first of all, write your business name. If you want to go with already existing name, you can do that, or else you can tap on it and simply edit your name. So after doing that, tap on Continue. Then in here, you'll have to now select your business category. So for now, what I'm going to do is simply select this other business, then tap on Continue. If you can't find your business category in here, you can tap on See More Categories and select your business category. So after tapping on Continue, here you can now add your business hour. So here, if you tap on Open for selected hours, you can now select which hours and which day you are available for your WhatsApp business. Or else here we also have the option of by appointment only, or you can simply select Always Open. I'm going to go with Always Open, and in here I'm going to select all of these hours since I'm going to be available 24 hours. Then tap on Save. And here you can see it is being updated. And after that, tap on Continue. So in here, if you want to add your profile picture, you can tap on this green Continue button and then your gallery will be open. Then like that, you'll be able to select a profile picture. Or if you are going with the existing one, you can tap on Continue. Then in here, if you want to write more ways to find you, like your locations or add your website or something like that, you can do so. Or you can simply skip that part. I'm going to skip it. Simply tap on Skip. And in here, if you want to add a description of your business, you can again do that. Or else you can skip that part. I'm going to skip that part again. And after doing that, it will take a few seconds. And then in here, if you want to add your business email, you can do so. But again, for now, I'm going to skip it. Tap on Skip for now. And just like that, here you can see we have successfully converted our WhatsApp to our WhatsApp Business. If you tap on Chats or if you tap on Calls, here you'll get all of your call records and chat records from your previous personal WhatsApp. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.